Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNXP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and huge volume. Unfortunately, the big volume spike was a nasty move to the downside. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen spikes like this where it goes down, but the problem is it just keeps going down and bleeding. But that wasn't the case here. At least the price leveled off and is starting to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. I'm not saying that because the price started to go sideways that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and the price is getting ready to move its back upwards. My point is, it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have that, you know what, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming, given how the price played out here. But the first level, and this is very important, nothing fancy or complicated behind it, if this is the bottom, well then by definition, it needs to be the bottom, meaning you don't want to see the price going any lower. Any lower relative to what? To this 52-cent mark, because that's where it bounced today. So again, for that reason alone, 52 cents is going to be that main level to watch moving forward, and that'll be that key level of support, which, like I said, so far the price bounced above it and, has gone sideways from there. So it doesn't mean it's for sure a bottom, doesn't mean for sure it's going to, continue to hold. But again, it all goes back to, is it a valid thought to be having, or is it a random thought? And it's not random at all. That makes sense. So keep a close eye on that. Now, in the event the price does bounce back upwards, first key level of resistance to watch very closely, that really stands out in my mind, at least, is right up here at this area of 60 cents. So 60 cents, public enemy number one, with any sort of, like I said, bounce to the upside. If the price can break above there, next key level would then be that purple line there, which on my chart represents the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 64 cents. But all in all, pretty crazy movement right now. We'll see if the price can get some sort of snapback bounce moving forward or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.